Welcome to AL Language Cafe, where we learn Chinese the fun way. In this video series, we'll practice a set of characters together. You can download the free worksheets in the description to follow along. This character has two pronunciations. The first pronunciation is 子, 子. The second pronunciation is 子, 子. It's a neutral, light tone. This character is similar to one of our previously practiced characters. See how similar these two characters are? 子, le. The only difference is the one horizontal stroke. So when we are writing 子, we are going to write a l first. Start with a horizontal hook. Then a slightly curved vertical stroke with a hook. And then a horizontal stroke right in the middle. Notice how it is also right in the middle of the grid? This character, 子, has different meanings depending on the context. Once again, a friendly reminder that the example character is written in Chinese calligraphy style, which requires the writer to control the pen pressure. As a beginner, our goal is to learn to write Chinese characters correctly. You can simply write it like this. Next character, 杯, 杯. As you learn to write more characters, you will notice that some basic characters are being used as components for our new characters. For example, the character 杯. The right component of 杯 is the 不 that we learned previously. Isn't that awesome? The new character is the 木 radical on the left of 杯. Please refer to the practice book to learn more about radicals. This character is a left and right structure. We start by writing the character on the left side first. First, start with a short horizontal stroke. Then, a vertical stroke that passes through it. Then, a left falling stroke from the intersection point. Lastly, a small dot here. Then on the right, write 不, which we learned previously. This character looks complicated initially, but once we examine the components, it becomes much easier, doesn't it? Although this character has way more strokes compared to the ones we have learned so far, the more you practice, the better you will remember the characters. 杯 is a major word for drinks. How are you doing so far? Are you tired of writing the characters? I am getting a little bit tired too. It's completely normal. One more row and we'll be done with this character. You can do it. Let's pick out the speed. Ready to form words with the characters we have learned? Our first word is goods. Goods. Height of a person. Our second word is 杯子,杯子, cup, as in the cup that we use to drink. Our third one is 一个杯子,一个杯子, a cup.